Hello dear viewers, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Today's video having great content. As upcoming season, it's very necessary for everyone to have such type of unique gadgets. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bottle covers. Dear viewers, we will try our best to show you the best and unique designs for crochet bottle covers. If you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now so that you can find such type of more videos. Crocheting a bottle cover can offer many benefits. Some of we would like to discuss with you. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a project provides a satisfying sense of achievement. Family heirloom can be passed down as a cherished handmade item. Upcycling. Old yarn can be repurposed, reducing waste. Organizational tool help distinguish between different bottles in a bag. Seasonal theme. Crochet seasonal or holiday theme covers for festive occasions. Fun for kids. Involves children in crafting, enhancing fine motor skills. Learning tools. A great project for beginners to practice various crochet stitches. Sustainable materials can be made from natural fiber, promoting sustainability. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crafting community. Joining crochet group can foster friendship and a sense of community. Can be made in countless styles to suit different occasions or seasons. With happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our videos. Thank you for watching.